Exciting news is on the horizon for foldable smartphone enthusiasts. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. According to a credible leaker, the book-style Galaxy Z Fold 7 is poised to usher in a new era of innovation in the foldable market. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has teased that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature some industry-first technologies. While specific details haven't been disclosed, the claim alone suggests Samsung is preparing a major leap forward. Samsung has often been criticized for taking a cautious approach with its foldable line, favoring incremental updates and leaning heavily on software and AI improvements rather than hardware innovation. However, the recent Fold SE appears to have set the stage for something more ambitious, paving the way for a significantly enhanced Galaxy Z Fold 7. Design-wise, the Fold 7 will reportedly adopt a new size and aspect ratio inspired by last year's special edition model. Samsung has also released the first official teaser for the Fold 7, hinting at Ultra experiences. While it may not carry the Ultra name, the device is expected to incorporate high-end features from the Galaxy S Ultra lineup, particularly in the display and camera departments. In terms of build, the Fold 7 will feature a titanium backplate, making it lighter and more durable. Samsung has also refined its design for reduced thickness, potentially achieving record-breaking slimness in the foldable category. As for the battery and charging system, it might remain similar to the previous generation, though a new solution is reportedly being developed to extend battery life and enable faster charging via the standard 25-watt adapter. Power efficiency is also getting a boost. The Fold 7 is expected to use a new OLED panel that consumes less energy, contributing to longer battery life. AI will play a significant role as well, optimizing app performance to balance power saving with smooth functionality.